All right, well, welcome to our WIP. I am Ann Showalter at Skidmore College, and I'm here with my collaborator, Michelle McWhorter at Wittenberg University. And we are going to talk about our plan for using student-created posters of counter-stereotypical scientists to foster identity as a scientist for our students.
So this began actually at last year's BioQuest meeting, where Ann and I and others signed up to do the Inclusive STEM Teaching Project course in the fall. And so we did that this past fall. And then as a continuation of that, we decided that we wanted to continue working and trying to identify a resource that maybe we could work towards in the future, some need in the field. And so we decided that we were going to try to come up with sort of an amalgamation or sort of a compilation of some current resources and make them a little bit different to sort of to fit what Ann and I were sort of had envisioned in our heads. So if you don't already know, there are a number of resources that highlight counter-stereotypical scientists. Scientist Spotlights is one of them. Another one is the I Am a Scientist project, and also Biography, who is also going to be presenting a workshop here at the BioQuest meeting this year. And so we saw our project as kind of a compilation of all of these things. Our goal is to have students create these visual biographies of counter-stereotypical scientists, posters, if you will, that would align with course content that they would be learning.
And so to help with this, we have drafted an example poster to show the students, but also that they can use as a template for designing their own. This one that is highlighted here was created in Canva, which we picked because students love Canva, but you can also export it and use them in PowerPoint, of course. The key aspects of our poster on the template is to have something that, of course, emphasizes the scientists' work, especially in their content area, so their major contributions to their field, and any other major accomplishments that they may have. We also wanted to channel some of the aspects from the resources that are out there to include some humanizing information. We thought that was really important to include that as well. And then finally, we have a QR code that links to additional information. Perhaps this is the Scientist Spotlight website with the profile of this person. There's multiple links in there, or it could be some other website. And then finally, once these posters, the students have developed these posters as part of their course or however we're doing it, we wanted to be able to put them up in the building so that other students and the general campus community can see this work, and also maybe give the students a sense of some ownership in seeing their own posters displayed on campus.
So if you're interested in this project, we are hoping to have a fall working group. We plan to meet bi-weekly, and our goals for that would be to finalize the poster template and assignment guidelines that faculty could use in their courses, and for faculty to create an example poster of their own to model that for students, and to also kind of get a sense of what that workload would be for the assignment, and to ideally then implement this assignment in one of their courses, maybe in the fall, but probably more likely in the spring of 2025. And then our ultimate sort of big goal is to have a resource available on Cubes where faculty and their students could put these posters so that others, right, outside of their institution could download these posters and print them and put them up on their campuses as well.